Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Tammy if you're new here, and on this channel we do cooking videos. Today we made sausage and gravy with eggs and bacon. A little note before you start this process, I recommend taking your sausage out of the freezer and letting it thaw overnight, so that way you don't have to worry about having it frozen for when you go to brown it up. Then once we have our bacon all laid out, we'll start by browning up our sausage. In the pan that we have our sausage in, you'll want to set that to 250 degrees. We use a skillet pan. You could do it just on a stove top. And once that's all brown, then we'll add our ingredients to it. We start with 6 tablespoons of flour. So once we have our flour in there, we'll just mix it around, and then I'll add a little bit of our Game & Garden seasoning, our Old West Game & Garden. Once that's all mixed around, then we'll add our milk to it and stir until thickened. When it is starting to get thick, add a little bit of hot sauce if you like a kick to it. You do not have to add the hot sauce in, but if you like some heat, just add a little bit of hot sauce to it. And then once the mixture is fully thickened and it's been bubbling for a bit, add a little bit of cheese. We did 3 slices of cheese. Now if you like it cheesier, you could add more cheese in if you'd like. That's up to you. If you don't want cheese in it at all, you don't have to add that at all either. Now that that's all thickened and ready to go, we'll just turn that on low and just keep it on low heat until you're ready to pour over the biscuits. And now we'll start putting the biscuits into our skillet pan to get them ready to bake. Now we're going to mix up our eggs. I'm doing 8 eggs, so we'll just put them in, put some milk with them and stir them up, and then just set them to the side until you're ready to pour them into the pan. I'm also just going to add a little bit of cheese to the eggs to give them some more flavor. So now it's time to pull our bacon out of the oven. Just go ahead and pull that out and set it on a plate. I always put a paper towel down to soak up any of the extra juices off of the bacon. Now I'm just going to lightly sprinkle the bacon with some pepper. And we're going to put our eggs into the pan now. Turn the pan to about medium heat before you put the eggs in. Now we're going to pull our biscuits out of the oven and let them cool for a few minutes before we take them out of the pan. And then we'll just take our biscuits and we'll just bust them in half and then put our sausage and gravy mix on top, and then add our eggs and bacon to our plate, and you're ready to eat. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you have enjoyed, and if you have any questions or anything, feel free to comment below. Any links for recipes or anything will be linked below this video. Also, all of our social medias will be linked below, so feel free to get a hold of us that way if you have any questions. And we hope you have a great day.